In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Consul of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Iran meets with the Consul General of the Turkmenistan in Mashhad. The Consul of the Islamic Emirate in Istanbul holds talks with representatives of Afghan student unions and associations from 22 universities across Turkey. And a small group of Palestinians returns to Gaza via Rafah crossing after receiving medical treatment in Egypt. Welcome to the news package. It's Tuesday, the 15th of Shaban al-Muazzam, 1447, the 14th of Dal, 1404, and the 3rd of February, 2026. The news details. Maulavi Nur Muhammad Mutawakkil, the Consul of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Iran, met with Juan Murad Uz Mamdovich Atayov, the Consul General of Turkmenistan in Mashhad. Based on the Afghan consulate, both sides emphasized the expansion of economic cooperation, particularly in the field of infrastructure development. Mufti Muhammad Akbar Azmi, the Consul of the Islamic Emirate in Istanbul, met with representatives of Afghan student unions and associations from 22 universities in Turkey. During the meeting, Mr. Azmi assured the participants of continued consular services and efforts to address the challenges faced by Afghan students. Referring to the establishment of nationwide security in Afghanistan, he also encouraged them to serve their people and homeland. The news continuation. The official distribution process of wheat and cash assistance for the returnee families in Herat province was launched by Maulavi Ataullah Omari, the Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock. Under this program, each family is provided with 5 sacks of wheat and 5,000 Afghanis in cash. And ultimately, Al Jazeera News Network reports that the first group of Palestinians has returned to Gaza via Rafah crossing after receiving medical treatment in Egypt. In accordance with the report, the group consisted of 12 individuals who returned to Gaza by passenger bus after approximately 18 months. It is worth noting that the Israeli regime partially reopened Rafah border crossing between Gaza and Egypt on Monday, allowing up to 50 people per day to enter Gaza. We've reached the end of our news program. For further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration, you could track us on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.